Hi, Grant here at Kelford Cams, and this is part 3 of Life of a Camshaft. Today we're going to show you what happens with the camshaft after the CNC lathe operation. I'm here now with Leo on our CNC mill, and we're going to run through the process from the CNC lathe to the CNC mill operation on the camshaft. So hi Leo.
Hi Grant.
What machining process are we going to do to this camshaft this morning on our mill?
So after machining from the lathe is to do the profiles, including the triggers, in preparation for the grinding department.
What equipment do we have here on the CNC mill for doing this process, Leo?
As we can see here, we're using the forward axis, the vise to dampen the vibration, if there's any.
Yep.
And the brake tell stop.
Yeah, so it's really important that the vibration is dampened as much as possible during this process.
Yeah.
And that allows us to take bigger cuts, machine the camshaft more efficiently in a shorter amount of time. So Leo, could you just run through with me this morning on what the tooling is that we use for machining the lobes on the camshaft?
So this tool is 12 ball nose end mill from Pinhole.
This is a great setup for us because it provides minimal vibration.
Yes, it is.
We've got good cutter life. I think we're machining about 70 plus camshafts with one tool.
Yes, it is.
So we're getting like really good tool life off of these Kennametal Harvey ball nose end mills. So when you're setting up this camshaft on the mill, Leo, what's important in the setup?
So the most important thing is the run out of the both ends.
Okay.
From the forward axis to the brake tail stop.
Yep.
So it should be 0.05 millimeters.
Within 0.05 run out. So how do you check that run out? What do you use to actually check that?
So we're using DTI, the indicators.
So Leo, we've noticed that when you load the camshaft, you're inserting this pin into the end of the camshaft. Can you tell us a little bit more about the purpose of the pinhole here and why we're doing that?
So the primary focus of that pin is to align all the pinholes and the lobes and the triggers at once.
So this ensures that every camshaft we load in the machine is loaded in exactly the same timing. So there's never a problem with the lobes or the triggers being out in any way. So Leo, after the CNC milling stage on this camshaft, what's next?
So after this, it goes to heat treatment.
Cool.